Greetings from Cleveland, Ohio, where we are in the home of Jim and Amy Kubacki, our good friends that we have known for how long, Jim?
32.5.
32.5 years. And how long? How do we meet each other?
In Bermuda on our honeymoon.
We have been friends for 32 years. We have never been to Cleveland, and I would say our opinion of Cleveland has grown tenfold because we had such a great time. We went to the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Bar 32, interestingly, 32-year anniversaries at Bar 32, very cool, saw the whole skyline. What's the name?
The bar.
You saw the bar where Jim grew up. Anyway, Jim went to Harvard and had the total offense record as a quarterback for many years in the 1970s. And Amy is...
Hi.
Amy has been giving to our community for years and years and years, and kind of the life of the party.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we had dark and stormy.
We had
Honor of our Bermuda time.
That's right. Anyway, we had a great 23 hours in Cleveland, and we're on our way to Chicago.
Here's the Chicago skyline from Navy Pier all the way down the Chicago River. If you get a chance to take the architectural tour, you should do it.